everyone. It's 8:10 and I think we should start the session, right? So, can somebody please confirm if I'm audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, okay. So, this session is about GDS Study Jam. In this session, I will be clearing all your doubts about GDS Study Jam, and I'm Kaushik Chaudhary, the facilitator of GDSC. Now, let's get started. Wait a minute till I figure out how to present this screen. Is my presentation visible?
Yes, visible.
Yeah, it's
Okay. Okay, so this is Study Jam Q&A. Google Cloud Study Jam Q&A. So first question is, what is Study Jam? Study Jam is a 1 month long study program conducted by Google Developer Student Club. So in this program, we will complete two courses from Cloud Skill Boost. The first course being Generative AI Arcade. We get 1 month to complete these two courses, and at completion, we will get some swags. Is it clear?
Yeah.
All right.
Clear.
So why not do it yourself? Like Cloud Skill Boost is available for everyone, right? So why do it through Developer Student Club? The reason being, when you do it alone, you will get demotivated pretty soon. The labs are pretty long, and then you will stress out. When doing together, you will get much more motivation, and you will surely complete it. And the second reason being, Cloud Skillboot is not free. You will need credit for some labs, and Google provide you with this credit. You get this opportunity from Google. And the third being, of course, after completion, you will get swags. That's what you're here for, right? All right. Now the plan. Let's lay out a study plan. So for GenAI Arcade, I understand that some of you were getting that seats are not available. So that's common problem. Seats are given in slots. Our slot is 11 September week. So at 11 September, we will get some slot and you all claim your seats then. And those who are already access the arcade through this in this week slot, they are instructed to continue the arcade first. So those who have access to arcade, go ahead and do it. And those who are not been able to access the course, they wait till some slots are available. Once the slots are available, you will be notified. I will notify you, or Raja Majumdar, the lead GDS lead, may notify you. In this GenAI arcade, there are 9 labs. The labs being every video, every course. Some of it are short, like introduction, and some of it are hands-on lab. Those are 1 hour long, but those don't actually take 1 hour. You can complete it in 20 minutes or so. And there are some quiz. So including all those, you get 9 labs in GenAI arcade. So I hope you will complete it in 1 week or less, like 2 labs or so in a day. So that's the plan for GenAI arcade. Second plan for GCCF. When I say GCCF, I mean Google Cloud Computing Foundations. And there are around 40 labs in GCCF. GCCF is the lengthy one. So you are instructed to complete 2 labs per day at least. So, and if there are any further labs to do rather than GCCF, you will be notified. Is the plan clear?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
So, word of cautions. Let's go through the email first. Those of you who have not accessed the code, have not redeemed the code, let I show you what to keep in mind when accessing the code. So, is this slide visible? Is the screen visible? So, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You all are getting this kind of in confirmation mail, right? Have you all got that?
Yes.
Okay. So in this mail, the main two things to note that you get a unique code from GNUI Arcade and a unique code for GCCF. Do not share this code anywhere, nor in social, nor with friends. The code is unique to you, and once claimed, the code cannot be reclaimed. So, as I said, the GNA arcade is currently full right now. Once, so you don't need to redeem that for now. So just go ahead and redeem the GCCF first. Here you will see a watch video option. It will take you to a YouTube video for tutorial, and I think we shared the video in group also. So go ahead and get see that for guidance. A few things I will stress, like first open the browser in incognito window, because sometimes you will accidentally redeem it in wrong account. So make sure to open the incognito window, claim the code first, then sign in with correct account. If you sign in with a wrong account, we can't do anything. You will get credit in the wrong account and your progress will not be tracked. And another thing I will stress that redeem it before 11 September. Try to redeem it at least. After 11 September, we can't guarantee you. We are not given any instruction. We are just told that redeem it before 11 September. So do it. And once you complete these steps, make sure to follow these steps at least. You will open a new window in incognito. You will open this link. You will put your code, and there you will provide. You will be provided in a lab. Open that lab. Uh, in the video, they said only to access, enable the Dialogflow API and claim it. But I would suggest at least spend 10 minutes in that lab and go through the lab thoroughly, because sometimes they don't give you the credit if you don't. Sometimes the lab is not completed if you don't spend at least 10 minutes. So just go through the lab. You will spend 10 to 15 minutes in that lab, and you will get 9 credit after claiming the credit. And after you complete the lab, after you start the lab, open the enable the dialog flow in the lab and claim that, you will be getting a pass. You will be getting a monthly pass. Your 9 credit will be replaced by a monthly pass. Then you are ready to uh, do the GCCF stuff. So what to do after completing this lab? After completing this lab, you click this link. This is a link. This link will take you to the GCCF course itself and start learning that course. Some of you have gotten some complaint that some of you have not got the credit. So few things I would ask you to check. First, you claim the credit in the correct account. Second, if account is correct and still not gotten the credit, within 30 minutes or so, access this support. Tell them what is wrong, tell them you haven't got any credit, and they will surely help you. They are pretty quick to respond. They will respond within 1 day or maybe 12 hours. So that's the thing. All right. Now back to my slide. Huh. So was this all clear? Was the instructions clear there?
সো তার মানে আমাদেরকে ফার্স্টের যেটা আছে ওই কোডটা দিয়ে মানে এন্টার করতে হবে, তাই তো?
Yes. First open incognito, then go to the link, then enter the code, complete the course provided in that code, and then come out of there, go to GCCF, that link, GCCF link, and
না
start
ওখানে
learning.
তো দুটো পাথওয়ে আছে, তো ফার্স্ট এডটা
Okay.
আগে কমপ্লিট করার পরেই সেকেন্ড অ্যাক্সেস করতে পারবো।
Nah, you are suggested to not complete GenAI first. GenAI is completely currently full. Slots will be available in next week or so. You are suggested to complete the GCCF first, Google Cloud Computing Fundamentals.
Okay.
Yes. So that was our word of cautions. And there are some things to keep in mind. First and foremost, I cannot state this enough. Do not share with your code anywhere. The code is unique. Claim the code by 11 September. Okay. Now another thing you could do is keep sharing your progress in Discord. Have a chat in Discord, share what you learned, and that's all. Have a chat, have a great time. Consider this your average study session in your home. Mine as a snacks, of course. Uh, if something goes wrong, do not hesitate to contact me. If something goes wrong, contact me. And if I can't help you, I can sure I will ask the upper ranks uh, to help you. I will do my best to help you. And all the announcement will be posted in Discord itself. If you haven't joined Discord till now, do join and keep an eye on the Discord itself. Now, any more doubts? You can ask me anything now.
Incognito one, please repeat. Like I didn't get it.
Incognito one. Okay. So let's go back to that mail. So, is my bell visible? I guess so.
রিডিং
Yeah.
প্রসেসটা আর একবার রিপিট।
Redeeming process. Okay. So redeeming process is laid out in here perfectly. Like first, the first redeeming process is for GenAI. You don't need to do it now. You will be instructed to do it later. The second one is Google Cloud Computing Fundamentals. So follow the instruction. First, open browser's incognito. Second, copy and paste this link in your incognito tab. It will prompt you to enter a code. Here you will get your unique code. So enter that code. Now, upon entering that code, you will be presented by a lab. Go ahead and complete that lab. So the instruction for this lab is laid out there. You will read it. So the lab basically says, basically introduced you to Google Cloud Console. So it will ask you to go to Google Cloud Console. You will give you the email and password. I can show you currently because that's in my pathway. I've completed the lab, but you will see. Once doing this, you will be presented by a lab. So start press start lab. Go ahead and open the console. You will be presented by credential like email and password. Go ahead and put the email and password in the Google Cloud Console itself, and you will be instructed to enable Dialogflow API. Go ahead and enable that and go back to the StudyBoost lab and in the lab. uh, Once progress is 100% in the lab, and you will be get the monthly subscription. That's it.
Okay, so basically we need to complete a lab in one go
Yes.
in incognito mode only, right?
Yes, that's it.
Achha, got
Okay.
All right, guys. So I hope you have a great session with our facilitator, Kaushik. You can reach out to him anytime, and also you can reach out to me. Now let's go on and have some in-hand experience where you can like learn how you can claim your credit. Okay, let me present my screen. Yeah, is it visible, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
yeah.
Yeah. All right. So first thing first, I hope everyone has got the email named enrollment email. Congratulations from Google, right? Here, there you will have two codes. Okay, first one will be your Gen AI arcade game, and the next one will be the Google Cloud Computation Foundation course. Now, right now we don't have the Gen AI path open. It will be rolled on a weekly basis. Okay, and if AOT gets the slot, we will let you know. All right. Now we have the Google Cloud Computation Foundation. Okay, go to the link of Google Cloud Computation Foundation, and then you will see that in the email you have a secret code, right, the for both the tracks. So copy the code. Okay, let me copy the URL and paste it in your incognito browser. Okay, remember this: whenever you are completing a lab or logging into the Labs, use the incognito mode. Okay, so paste the link here or click on it, and it will redirect to this page. Right here, what you can do, you can just simply click on the start learning path. Okay, uh, or before that, you can join. So joining means like logging into your Skillboost account. Okay, use the same email ID you used to get the email confirmation. Okay, and create a new account in the Skillboost. For example, here I'm using this new account, and I would like everyone to like do it yourself besides me. Okay, just look at my screen and do it yourself, so that if you are facing any problem, you can just like call me out that yeah, we are having this problem, can we solve this? Because see, if you don't claim the credit before 11th September, the credit will go wasted and you will not receive anything. So all the efforts, I mean, we are putting in should be in the waste bin. So please open the incognito mode and do it with me. All right, after logging in, what you can do, you can just paste the link here, and it will ask for your code. Okay, so in the email itself, you can see there is an option for enter your code. There is a blue button. Okay, there is a blue button of enter your code, or you can find it in the bottom of the email also. All right, just right click on it, copy the link and paste it in your incognito browser. Okay, and it will redirect you to this code taking option. Okay, a pop-up of your code will be shown on your screen, and it will ask you for the code you have, your personal code that has been sent to you by Google on your Gmail. Right, in that email you will find that in the pathway there are two columns, right? Your pathway code and the last date. So just copy the code from there. Okay, and then paste it. Okay, click on I'm not the robot. Okay, fill this thing, and oops. Yeah, so after filling the code and submitting it, you will be redirected to this window where you can see the Google Cloud Boost, discover the Google Cloud training on your way, and you will see one lab, that is the tour of Google Cloud. Okay, till here, is it clear, everyone? Are you guys doing with me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, all right. So next up, you have to go to the account, my account, and check if you have received the credit or not. Okay, it should be 9 credits on the first go. If you haven't received the credit, this is the important part. If you haven't received the credit yet, do the same exact thing after signing out from your account. Repeat the thing. Okay, in the incognito mode, just repeat this thing. Okay, so first of all, after doing this, just refresh and check if you have received the credit or not. If it is zero credit, then just sign out. Is the link again of the enter your code. It will redirect, and there you can just enter your code.
Acha, like pasting the link on incognito, directly it is
Mhm.
asking for the code. That time I will give the code, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You can do it in
Yeah,
both the ways. You can just sign in and then do it, or else you can just keep the code there, paste it, and then you can sign in.
yeah, I did that, but after refreshing also, like it is showing zero credit.
Yeah, if you're facing this issue of getting zero credit, do log out. Okay, just like I did. Do log out, paste the code again, and then sign in. Okay. Yeah, you can see it directly signed me in, and here you can see I have the 9 credits. Okay, so this issue I actually wanted to address to all of you, because this is the issue of like skill boost, because they are rolling out so much credits. Okay, if you are facing this, just log out and then sign in again. Okay, and paste your code. You should get 9 credits over it. All right, so this is the first step. Okay, where you might have some confusion. Okay, everyone clear?
Yeah, everything all right.
All right. Okay. If you
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
don't
showing.
have the credits till now, then you can reach out to me. Okay. I'll personally like guide you through how you can get the credits. So after getting the 9 credits, you have enough credits to complete this lab. Okay. So just click on the lab, and here starts the second most important thing. After signing into the lab, start the lab and don't leave the lab before 6 minutes. Okay. Don't leave the lab before 6 very minutes. Just do anything, scroll up, scroll down, complete this MCQs. Here we'll have MCQs and complete the assignment. But don't leave the lab before 6 minutes. Otherwise, you won't have the monthly subscription that we are gonna get. Okay. This 9 credit is for just completing this tour lab. Okay. After you complete this, you'll get a monthly subscription where you can complete all the labs. Okay. Just wait for the monthly subscription to show up in your account. So just start the lab, and in this session, you are also getting how to complete one lab or for the labs. Okay. Which is- So completing the labs are very easy. All the instructions will be provided to you. Just go through them, okay, and then submit the assignment or do the MCQs like that. So right after starting the lab, just click on Open Google Console. It will redirect to a new window where you have to sign in using this exact same email which the lab will provide. Okay, this thing. It's not showing monthly subscription. Yeah, Debopria, you will get the monthly subscription after completing this lab. After getting the 9 credit, then only you complete this lab, and then only in a few minutes you will have the credit of like full monthly subscription. I'm just showing you.
I
So
want to tell you sorry, but I have done all these steps yesterday, but still I haven't received my monthly subscription.
you haven't received your monthly subscription. Did you
That,
have like your 9 credits while you are completing the labs?
yeah, I do have the 9 credits points here.
You okay? Okay. Then you completed this lab, right?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Do one thing. If you have the 9 credits, it won't go to waste. Just complete this lab after signing out and then re-signing in, and complete this lab once more. Stay there for 6 to 10 minutes, okay? And then after that, while you are submitting, just put a 5-star rating over there while you submit the lab, and then just wait for a couple of minutes, okay? Then refresh your account. You will have the monthly subscription.
Okay. I will definitely. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So here, for it's asking for the password. The password you'll get from the lab itself. Here is the password. This thing is actually logging you into the Google Console. Okay, that is your GCP account. Using this Qlabs demo account. Okay, it will change every time. So this is your Google Cloud Platform or GCP console. You are logged in. You should be logging in with your temporary account that is provided by the lab itself. Okay, not your original account. So select the country as India. Select I agree, and then agree and continue. After that, just make sure that you are not signed in with your personal account. You have to use the temporary account provided by Qlabs. Next thing you have to do is to scroll down and complete some MCQs. So just go to them and complete. As I already know, I'll just keep on submitting. Okay, these are very basic. If you see these things, build a temporary environment in Google Cloud. Is it like which thing is used to create a temporary account? It's the start lab button, right? So these are very easy. When the timer reaches 00, you'll lose access to your temporary account, which is true. Yeah, if the timer goes to 00, this account will all will be disposed. Okay, you will have a new account. So just submit all of them. Oops. Once more. My bad. Okay, now the next thing. Okay, this part is the third important thing. So when you are in the GCP, you might explore this thing like all the services Google Cloud Platform provides. Okay, but here we have to just complete one single activity, uh, which is totally given step by step here. The task 3, roles and permission. The task 2, the navigation menu. Okay, so simply what you have to do, just go here and scroll down, and you can see task 4 of API and services. Okay, complete the MCQ by yourself. Okay, these are very easy, and then you'll see that you have a Dialogflow API to enable. Okay, so actually Google provides a lot of APIs for free, and you have to enable the API in your account. Okay, this is the first activity we have to do. So after enabling the API, you have to click on check my progress. Here you can see my progress is 0 out of 100. If I enable and check my progress, it will show that 100 out of 100. Okay, that means you have completed the lab. So let's do it. You have to go to the API and services, go to library, search here for Dialogflow, and you will get the API. Click on the API, click on enable, and wait for a few minutes. Actually, your GZip account will go to this API, like calling this API, and it will turn it on for your account. That means you can use this service from anywhere using your account credentials. Okay? So you can see, like in a few seconds, the status is enabled. Okay, so verify that your status shown here is enabled. Okay, go back to the lab and click on check my progress. So a green tick will appear only if you complete this assignment and the status is enabled over here. Now complete the rest of the MCQs you have over here. Navigation menu, to editor, and then one last MCQ here. True. Oh, sorry, it's false. Whatever. So the main activity to be done here is the Dialogflow API enabling. Okay. If you complete this, you can see I have 100 of 100 credit. Okay. And then you can see it's showing 38. So 45 minus 38, we have like completed this lab in almost 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes, right? So right now, like wait till 38, okay, because that will ensure that you have stayed in the lab in for 6 minutes, and then you can go here and you can just read all the things, all the details over here, and you can just end the lab when it hits 38. All right, so end the lab, submit it, and give a 5-star rating, or put a comment if you want, and then submit. So if you have a pop-up saying thanks for using this lab and blah blah blah, you can just go back and it will automatically refresh the page. And here you can see we have still the 9 credit. Click on the 9 credits and wait for a couple of minutes. Okay. So here we can see like we have the same problem that one of you had, that the credit is not being transferred to our account. Just wait for a couple of minutes or a couple of days. Just log in, try to log in and log out again. Okay, and you'll have, yeah, see, you have the monthly subscription. So just refresh it once and you'll have your monthly subscription. Now, if you go to your account, you can see it's written here that monthly subscription, and your subscription ends on October 7th. All right. That means you have a monthly subscription till October 7, and you can explore any lab in these 2 parts. So this is how you complete and get the whole credit or whole monthly subscription to complete all the labs of your track. So now, if we go back to our dashboard, that means the Cloud Fundamental dashboard here, and you can just close this tab, because if you end the lab, all this will be invalid. Okay, so just close the tab. Yeah. Now you can see the foundation course. We have like the foundation path. Here you can see we have 8 activities, right? Here are the 8 activities you have to complete to get into the tier 1 and receive the swags. Okay, all of you must complete all the tracks. Okay, all the labs. You can see the estimated time is also given. You can see it's 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, 5 hours, 4 hours. So to start with, you can just target the 4 hours course or the 4-hour lab, learn more, and here you'll have like 2-3 labs one by one, which will teach you how to use the platform. Okay, for example, if you, this lab is only for 30 minutes, and maximum I can guarantee it will take only 10 minutes to complete, right? If you are totally beginner, then also. So just complete this labs. Okay, and after completion you will get a check sign here, and you can see like enroll in the course quest. You can enroll in this quest and go on solving the labs. Okay, after solving all this lab, you'll have like a partial completion, that you have totally completed this part. That means this of perform foundational infrastructure task in Google, right? So this is how you actually complete all the labs. Okay, just like I showed you how to complete the 2 lab, and go on and complete all the labs. Okay, we'll have a weekly report. We can just monitor who has completed the lab and all. Please make sure you complete all 8 labs. Okay, the labs which are shown 1 day, it will hardly take you some hours to complete. Okay, if you are a complete beginner, then also. Okay, I'm promising you. So for the Gen AI track, we'll have a limited time, maybe a week or so to complete. So whenever we drop a message of completing the Gen AI track, please respond to the message and complete that then and there. Okay, if you face any issues, because we will ourselves will be solving all the labs. So you can reach out to us and ask for help. Okay, no issue. We're here to help you. All right. So you complete all the 8 activities plus the Gen AI track. okay, which have like 7, 8 labs or 10 labs, then only you will be eligible to get the strikes. Okay, it's a long run. All right, you have a whole month with you. Just go on, invest some time, 30 minutes or more, you'll have some labs completed. Okay, and do it regularly, I would say, because don't wait for the last moment. You might lose, like it happened to me that I lost the track in the last moment. Okay, and I completed all the tracks, one lab was left and I lost. Okay, so don't do it, just complete it before the time. Okay, because the swags are like the seats and the like completions are limited time swags, limited seats we have. And on this platform we have like thousands of people signing in and completing the lab. Okay, so before the platform goes down or before the subscription ends, please complete these labs. Okay, and complete it beforehand, so that if you have any doubts, you can just reach out to us saying that I am having a problem or I cannot solve this lab, please help me. Okay, we might provide you a session on how to solve a specific lab. Okay, we're down to that. So yeah, that's all for the for claiming your credits, for claiming the monthly subscription. Same thing will be applied for the Gen AI track also. You can just go out and check that out. So uh, yeah, and also one more thing, I would really appreciate if you like continuously solve the lab and put it on your socials, tagging us that yeah, we have completed, because we are monitoring the socials. And the person most active on socials will get exclusive prize from GDAC AOT, apart from the swags you receive from Google. Okay, so yeah, folks, just try to complete all the labs. Go ahead, explore the track, because this is once in a lifetime opportunity to get hands-on training. You can see the Dialogflow API and all the stuffs you have uh, free for a month. Okay, you can build any project, you can just explore the APIs, you can see the Google Cloud Platform, which is free for all of you for 1 month. Okay, so please complete the labs and claim your specs. All right. Any doubts, anyone? Anything?
একটা কনফিউশন আছে যে ওই চেন এআই এর স্লট গুলো মানে
Mhm.
কিভাবে ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করা হবে?
So GenAI slot, they will assign it to some campuses, okay, for a week or so. For example, um, in the next week they might assign us, okay, and we have to complete it in 1 week or so, because after that the access will be given to some other campuses. Okay, because the response is so huge now, so they have to go turn in turn, like turn by turn, to uh, like make the platform active for everyone. Okay, so you have to be very quick and be responsive on our Discord and the WhatsApp community we have. Okay, as soon as we get the confirmation email that the track is open for all or for your campus, we'll let you know. Okay, and then and there you complete that.
হ্যাঁ, ওখানে ওই লাস্ট ডেটটা 30th সেপ্টেম্বর আছে।
Yeah, exactly. So they will provide the access before that. Don't worry, you will have like at least 1 week before to complete. Don't worry, because Gen AI track is very easy and it has like less number of labs compared to the GCCF. So first of all, complete the Gen AI if you have the access, and then jump onto the Google Cloud. And till then, just complete these labs. Okay, regularly, maybe 2 or 3 labs you have to complete.
Means the labs under this Cloud Skill Foundation that we just saw, those we have to finish, right?
Yes, exactly. Just finish them off. Okay, after finishing everything, if you have some spare time, then only you go to other tracks. Okay, don't get distracted, just complete these 2 tracks to get the like swags. Otherwise, like, you can complete those tracks, okay, but you won't be able to get the swag, because the swag is only provided to those who complete all the tracks within or before time. Okay, because remember, this is the first come first serve opportunity. So as soon as you complete the tracks, you get the goodies. All right, any more question? Or Any issues if you are facing with the platform? I know currently the Gen AI is not working. Don't worry, will be activated by them. All right then. Uh, I hope all the doubts are cleared, and have a good night, folks. Let's wrap it up.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for being an amazing audience. You can reach out to us in Discord and the WhatsApp community. Just drop a DM anytime. Don't hesitate. Don't feel ashamed that someone might think of something. Okay, because I myself was that guy. So don't feel ashamed. It is a community where you learn. Okay, be the dumb one. You will learn the most. All right then. Let's end the session. Have a good
Okay,
night.
thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.